Hello everyone. Today let's solve a question in fluid mechanics. So let's read the question. Two spherical soap bubbles in vacuum are connected through a narrow tube. The radius of the left bubble being R0 and that of the right bubble being 2R0. Air flows from left to right very slowly. At any instant before steady state, R1 is the radius, A1 is surface area, V1 is the volume, and N1 is number of moles in the left bubble, and R2 is radius, E2 is surface area, V2 is volume, and N2 is number of moles in the right bubble. Let S be the surface tension of the soap bubble and T be the temperature, which is assumed to remain constant. Taking N1 equal to 2, we have to find the correct options. This is a multiple correct type question. So let's read the options also once. Option A, if at an instant moles in left bubble is 1, then R1 equal to R0 by root 2. R1 is the radius of the left bubble. B option, if at an instant moles in the left bubble is 1, then R2 is 3 R0 by root 2. R2 is the radius of the second bubble. C option, the rate of change of A1 plus A2 with respect to time is 0, or which can also mean that A1 plus A2 is constant. And D, the total film area of both the bubbles is 15 RT by S. So now you try the question and I will come up with the solution. So I hope that you've tried the question. Now I'll discuss the solution. I've drawn a diagram showing what the question told. The left bubble has N1 moles and radius R0, and the right bubble has N2 moles and radius 2R0. We know that the excess pressure inside a soap bubble is 4 times surface tension by radius. And here, since the outside is vacuum, the pressure inside the bubble will just be the excess pressure. So P1 is 4S by R0 and P2 is 4S by 2R0, that is 2S by R0. Now applying ideal gas equation, that is PV equal to nRT in each bubble. First in the left bubble, P1 V1 equal to N1 RT. So P1 is 4S by R0 into volume, that is 4 by 3 pi R0 cube equal to N1 RT. So when I take R0 and R0 cube will just give R0 square, and 4 pi R0 square is the surface area A1. So just taking this common A1 and taking 4S by 3 the other side, we get A1 equal to 3 N1 RT by 4S. This is surface area of the first bubble. Same way P2 V2 equal to N2 RT. P2 is 2S by R0 into volume V2 is 4 by 3 pi into 8 R0 cube because radius is 2 R0 equal to N2 RT. Here A2 is 4 pi into 4 R0 square. So taking that common and 4S by 3 the other side, we get A2 equal to 3 N2 RT by 4S. So total area A1 plus A2 is 3 RT by 4S into N1 plus N2. Now N1 plus N2 is constant as it cannot change with time because N1 plus N2 is total moles in both the gases, in both the bubbles mixed, and that cannot change with time as number of moles is conserved. So total area is constant. So C option is correct. Now also at t equal to 0, A1 is 3 N1 RT by 4S and they have given N1 is 2. So A1 equal to 3 RT by 2S. And A2 is 4 times A1 because radius is twice. So that is 6 RT by S. Now total film area, they have told total film area. So that is 2 times A1 plus A2. It's twice the surface area because their total film area, we have to consider the outside and inside surface area. So that's 2 into A1 plus A2. That gives 15 RT by S. And that is the D option. So D option is also correct. Also, we can see, we calculated that A1 equal to 3 RT by 2S. And A1 is 4 pi R0 square. So we can get an expression for R naught equal to square root of 3 RT by pi s. So this one is needed for A and B option. Now sometime later, when N1 is equal to 1 mole, as it is given in option A and B, let the left bubble have radius R1 and right bubble have radius R2. P1 is 4s by R1, same way we can calculate, and P2 is 4s by R2. Apply an ideal gas equation in first bubble. In this bubble, when we apply ideal gas equation, P1 V1 equal to N1 RT. P1 is 4s by R1 as we found here, into 4 by 3 pi R1 cube equal to N1 is 1 as given in the question into RT. So R1 is square root 3 RT by 16 pi s. And here we have found that R0 is square root 3 RT by 8 pi s. So from these two we can see that R1 is R0 by root 2. So A is correct. Also A1 plus A2 is constant as we saw in option C. A1 plus A2 is constant, and that is 15 RT by 2s. This one we can find as total film area is 15 RT by s, and that is 2 times the total surface area. So total surface area will be 15 RT by 2s. You divide this by 2. So A1 plus A2 is constant in 15 RT by 2s. So A1 is 4 pi R1 square and A2 is 4 pi R2 square. Here when we substitute R1 from here, that is square root 3 RT by 16 pi s when you substitute R1 here. And when we simplify and solve, we get 4 pi R2 square equal to 27 RT by 4s. And R2 is equal to 3 times square root 3 RT by 16 pi s. And again, this and this are kind of similar. And when we simplify, R2 comes as 3 R0 by root 2, and which is B option. So for this question, A, B, C, D all are correct. I hope you got it correct too. Thank you.